Toy Club fans, we are having a perfectly rainy day out today. So Daddy's surprise is out at work. So we thought we would take and open some fun little blind bags for our little mini collections. And we also have some in there for Dad so that we can help him on his collections. Baby Surprise and Big Sister are here to help us. Okay, Baby is probably just gonna sit there and eat her Cheetos, but she's here for support.
You helping?
And Big Sister is helping, huh? Yeah. Are you ready, Big Sis?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Down.
Gotta hold it in front of the camera so everyone can see. We are gonna open a Series 1 Palace pet. Do you need some help? Here, there you go. Okay, open it up in front of the camera so everyone can see. Which one did you get? Wow.
That one go puzzle.
All right, look at this one she got. Okay, does it say the name on the back? Blondie. And I'll bet
It go puzzle.
it goes with Rapunzel on the picture. Down here so everyone can see it. You gotta move your hands, sis. There you go. All right, Blondie is adorable.
It go puzzle.
Okay, it's Mommy's turn.
You want pig? Oh, wait, that. That goes away.
All right, we are gonna open
Thomas.
a Thomas and see which one we have. All right. Doesn't look like it has a terrier stop, so we'll put a little snip in it. Okay, here's our little paper that shows us all the different Thomases we can get. And friends, Thomas and friends. Look at all those. There's gonna be over 70 available, but some of them aren't out even released yet.
Let's see Mommy shop Thomas.
Okay, what one did we get? We got, who is it?
Thomas.
A Thomas.
Wow, it's mine.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, I was right. I was thinking that wasn't a Thomas, and it's not. See, look, it has a number 2 on it.
It's Thomas.
So that,
Oh, Thomas.
no, it's Thomas's friend right here.
It's Thomas.
It's Edward.
It's Thomas
You
too.
can see that, number 2. It looks kind of like Thomas, huh? It's blue like Thomas. But it is Edward. Okay, sis, grab one.
Down. Up, down. Down.
Okay, what is this? Lalaloopsy. Okay, open it up. Down here in front of the camera so everybody wants to see what you're getting. Okay. All right, there she is. Cute little orange. Let's see what this... Oh,
Stickers.
look. We got some stickers. All right, for this Lalaloopsy, here is the paper that comes with it that shows us all the ones that we can collect. And Sister got this one, the orange Lalaloopsy. Look at how fun she is. Number 6. All right, it's Mommy's turn. Which one should she open? Should I do one of these for Dad?
Yes.
All right, Minecraft Series 1. Here we go. Okay, here's our box. Do you want the box, sis? And let's open this up. See what we have. We don't have this one yet, sis.
Oh. What's it?
It's a cow. Here, let me see the box really quick.
Still want toys.
Let's see here. Oh, and that's what it's called. Cow. So I was right. There you go. All right, big sis. It's your turn.
You want pig? Minutes.
Minions. Okay, down here, so everyone can see you open it. Look, it has the little tear here. Good job. Down here, everybody wants to see. Oh no! He dropped it. What does he have? The fart gun. Oh my goodness. So silly. Look how cute he is. So fun. Is that a stand for him? Okay, look, it came inside this little cardboard thing. So this one says it is Tim. So now we have Tim. So we can put him on the stand, huh? Put him right here. Ta-da! Do you like him, Big Sis?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right, Mom's turn. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna do one of these. What is this? It says it is Imagine Next from Fisher Price. Okay, so it includes one mystery figure and accessory. Here we go. Looks like I need to put a little snip in it. Oh, thank you. All right, what are we getting?
Let's see, Mom.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. First, here is, wow, all sorts of stuff that they have. Here are the ones that you can collect. My goodness. Okay, let's see. I think I want the witch one. Are we ready, sis?
No.
We got this guy over here.
Yeah. You know the which one.
All right.
Let's see.
His little science lab. And his, looks like a science coat. Oh, with a gas mask. All right, Big Sis. What do you have next for us? The Palace Pet? Okay, sis. You already opened it. What do you have for us?
Woohoo! Oh, sorry.
Wow, a cute little bunny. Who does this one belong to?
Oh, so white.
Does this one belong to Snow White?
Yeah.
Okay,
so white.
what's her name? Let's see here. Berry. Okay, it's Mom's turn.
I pick one.
Okay, here I go. I'm gonna do another Thomas.
And two more.
All right. Ugh. Let's see here. Who do I have?
Oh, no.
Number one. This one is Thomas, I believe. Yeah. See?
I got that one.
Yeah, we got number 1 and 2. Okay, so let's see here. Yep, it's number 1, so it's Thomas. See, it has number 1 on it. And it's in the classics section. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. It's in the classics. There we go. Yay for Thomas!
Yay, Thomas here.
Thomas is here! Okay, My Little Pony Mystery Mini. We haven't ever opened one of these, have we?
No.
No. Hi, baby sister.
Oh, it goes-
Okay, let's show people what ones we can get. Look, we
You
can
want
get.
that one. Get.
You want which one?
Applejack one.
That's not Applejack.
I want the big one, Applejack.
There we go. You want this one?
No, the Applejack.
Is Applejack in here? Oh, yep, she is right here.
Yep.
Okay, rip open the box. Down here in front of everybody. Baby sister. There you go.
She might.
Careful. Okay,
Let's see. A bag.
open the bag right here in front of everybody.
Woohoo, Applejack.
Ah, is that one Applejack? Let me see. Here, baby sister, let me see the box. Is it Applejack? It has apples. The apple cutie mark.
Mommy, want Applejack.
I don't I think that's Applejack. Good job, sis.
Yeah, it's an Applejack.
Okay, it's time for Mommy's Shopkins. Here we go. Ugh. Gotta get past all the plastic. All right, let's see who we have. We don't have this one yet, sis. It's a bag of flour. I don't know her name. Do you know the flour one's name? I'll have to look that up. Fifi Flower. Yay! And she's green, so that means she's rare. Woohoo! Okay. Oh, wow, big sis. Look at that one. Oh.
Don't know here.
And this cutie little one with the cute purple bow, and look at their little face up there. She is Promi. She is a common. Okay, big sis. It's your turn.
Pig.
Do you want me to cut it?
Yeah. Tape hot dog. Tape. She got a bag.
A bag.
She wanted.
Get it?
Oh.
Okay. What one did you get, big sis?
Woohoo! Just down the home.
We got a green guy. Who is this one? Okay, here he is. Creeper. Ooh. Okay, it's time for me to open the last Thomas, friends. Here we go, our last Thomas. Doing it one-handed, because I'm holding baby sister now. Which one do we have? Okay, here we go. Ooh, a green one. Finally a different color. We love the blue, but oh wow. Look. Wrapped up like a mummy. Right, which one is this? Let's get the little paper, and this one is Percy from the spooky section. Ooh, Percy. Okay, we hope you enjoyed and had fun with us as we opened for some of our collections. Which one was your favorite? The My Little Ponies, the Princess Pets, or the Palace Pets, the Minion Tim. We got Percy wrapped up like a mummy. We got Thomas and Gordon, Fifi Flower, and Promi Shoe. The Lala Luxie Orange, our Mad Scientist from Imaginext, or the Minecraft Cow and Creeper. Which ones were your favorite? I think my favorite are Fifi Flower and Percy wrapped up like a mummy. I think that is so cute. Okay, big sister, which one was your favorite?
Me like Applejack and
You like Applejack and Tim the Minion?
that one.
Yeah? Alright, can we say bye-bye?
That one.
And you like the Palace Pets? Okay, bye-bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining us on Toy Club Surprise. We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And feel free to leave a comment on what you would like to see next. You can also click on one of these links to see some of our other videos. Until next time, have a great day.